Good Friday evening, everybody. What are we doing tonight? Well, cut the fence, tying it to the back of the Kubota, fucking giving her. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. So half this shit is grown into the brush and laying in the ground and under the grass, and you ain't going along picking the damn shit up. So I cut her on the far end. Go down here. Oh shit, where is it? Oh, I think that's it. Alright. Go down here a ways and cut it again and tie it to the back of the Kubota and just give her all of the ketchup. I think this is the right strand. I don't know. I don't even know if it's the right piece. No idea. But we're fixing to find out. This one right here. So it goes through the damn plastic insulators on the fence. You see some of them yellow ones, half of them are broken off and it's just laying. See down there? See where it's in the freaking grass? And then it goes down to that clump of brush down there. I think my ass is walking through there. You're fucking mistaken, boys. So, we go. Stick her through there. Come back here. Hold on to my stone. Give her a couple of whips. Bear with me. Good enough. Low gear. Send it. That son of a bitch brakes come back and whip me in the face. It's going to be great footage. Hear it? Pulling hard. It's coming though. Got one insulator with it. I don't know, well, you can see that in the video or not. I don't know. Yeah, well, so we're driving out until it's free. Usually you can see the end coming. Now we're going over the damn hill, so I ain't even going to be able to do that. Whatever. We get it out here where I can work with it. This smooth wire I'm using for my brace wire on the posts. There's some electric wire in there that's going to turn into a shit show. It's probably going to break into 8,000 pieces, but whatever. Down here. Unwrap it. Because even if you cut it off like that fucking piece of barbed wire, I still got to come back and unwrap it anyway. Hold on. I set you down for a minute. Now, hook it on that brush so I can find the end of the damn thing. Because now that it's laying out there in the grass, good luck with that. So I always like to go to a common destination and hook it in there. Because otherwise you come out in the morning, you got a cow that's tied up in the wire. That'll piss you off. Plus you'll have yourself a hell of a rodeo. Oh look, we got bonus wire there. Look at that garbage. Shit, I didn't even know that was there. What do we want to take here first? Fucking dog found a bone. There. She found something to chew on. Whatever. She's happy. She's happy. Alright. So, I don't know which fence line this is. It's that wire that goes over that's the top wire. So, I found another set of wires in here last night. See that shit? I don't know if you can see that. Yep, right there. That garbage. Yeah, that's nice. When I was in there pulling fucking posts, I found another set of wires that's just ran through the brush. And then goes to, I don't know where. But I think the one I just cut is this top one. So, let's go down here. See if we can get a hold of it and tug on it. That piece of steel that the wind got a hold of too. See, these goddamn things is why. Those things are why we're not fucking around with trying to get the unclip every one of these things. Cause these things are a joke. Fuck does these things? Come on. You know, little fucking plastic penis there. Hang on. Set it down for a minute. It gets some good vibrations. Now we'll go down that way. See what we get this time. Oh, it's pulling hard. It's going though. You must be on the right wire because they'll tighten right up if you're still anchored off somewhere. So we're going to run all the way up by the house with this one. And tie this one off up there. I'm going to go way the hell up over the hill and actually we'll go down here to that corner, I think. Loop it over that. Always leave an end so you can find the damn thing, otherwise you're in serious fucking trouble. Anyway, I'm going to do this a few more times. Unless something backlashes and smacks me in the face, there's not a hell of a lot to see here if I pull every time. So, I'm going to do this probably until pretty well close to dark, or until I'm done. And then, we'll, I'll be back in the shop again tonight. I got a lot of projects to get done in there, so. Minty. Look at this. Another damn fence post that I didn't see before. Lovely. Just lovely. So, Mr. Goslin mentioned something that I actually didn't think about before. Said that the skidder will make quick work of this brush. He's absolutely freaking right. I'm gonna wrap a choker around that shit and just pluck it out of there. Why fuck around with cutting it out, right? Sometimes those things that are that obvious just escape your brain. Well, they do mine. It's on the end of that wire, by the way. All right. I gotta get back to work. Catch up with you guys in a little while. Alright, well, now we're down to this shit, which I'm almost certain got dropped on the ground and left. Oh my god. Fuck, I don't even know what side of the post it's on. Look at that. When I can't even pull that much of it up. Okay. Son of a bitch. So, it's been in the ground for a long time. Look at it. Fuck, I don't even know if it's going to hold together. I know when you go down here, I hope, when you go down here, it's the stuff that comes up into the brush. At least I hope it is. Fuck, I don't know. Some days are just a freaking struggle. I don't know. You make her. Some days you feel like you're gaining, and most days you feel like you're fucking asshole deep and 5 miles behind. I don't know. Oh, look, there's another one that goes off into La La Land out there. That's not even. Son of a bitch. In here, they're 5 or 6 feet off fucking ground. I don't know why they're doing that. Pardon my language, by the way, but this shit pisses me off. A cow's gonna walk underneath that crap. I don't even know why there's wire in there. Oh, it's way up here. Look at this. Fuck, I don't know where the end of it is. And it's wrapped around so many trees, I don't know that I can even pull it out of here. So it goes back here. I'm almost certain this is fence that they just flipped and left on the frickin' ground. Proper up in the brush. The rest of it, well, there's no brush to prop it up in. So, what is this? Okay, that's grass from the. This is grass from the last strand I pulled. So. Okay, well, let's start trying to. I hooked onto both strands just kind of in hopes that maybe we can get both at the same freaking time. We're gonna go slow here because I don't know which side of the post they run on every time. Left a little bit. Now let's see what we get. Watch this. See how. Now look at all the. Oh, I broke that. Oh, I broke it. Oh, broke it. Both strands because they're so fucking rusted from being in the ground. Alright, well, didn't even take that much. I didn't even have to pull on it that freaking hard, so that's what we're gonna deal with, a bunch of rusted shit. God! Because I needed this when I'm trying to get fence done, right? So, I'll untie that, tie it to that corner so we can come back for that later as well. Back and get some more. What do you do? Oh, it's gonna be a fun time cleaning up all that garbage. Should be doing this on live stream. I could invite everybody over for a fucking wire rolling party tomorrow. And roll up fence wire for half the freaking day. Alright. Don't spill my beer. And yeah, I'm having a damn beer, okay? Fuck out of here. Well, good Saturday morning, everybody. 8th of May. 8th of May is not a good day for me. I'll say that. 3 years ago today, Wendy passed away. Kind of turned my world upside down. But suddenly, overnight, you have a farm and a cancer patient to take care of. And I know I was doing all of those things before, but when it's all of a sudden all in your lap, it's been a hell of an adjustment, I'll tell you that. So walking around out here this morning, we're going to do a little maintenance around the farm. I need to mow the grass. We're kind of getting into that. Very nice pasture. She just cut the cows loose on it. I need to do a little maintenance. Damn snow and stuff got a hold of the tree. So we got to get rid of some of those limbs before they're detrimental to the health of that apple tree. Clean up the landscape fabric. Kind of gonna do those little maintenance things. We got this freaking vinyl skirting that's on here on the house. That shit has to go away. It's just deteriorated. The sun's taking its toll on it enough that wind gets a hold of it and rips it out of there, and you can see it's just, we're always picking the shit up and it's falling off, and fuck. That's not a today project, but it is something that's coming here shortly. Like I said before in a previous video, we got to kind of spruce things up and hunker down here before we're going to be doing any kind of building. So we're going to start by trimming some trees today, and we got plenty of work to do on the front of the house. We'll go through all that as we get there. Just, yeah, we'll see how much of a mood I'm in today to make videos. Like I say, it's kind of a somber day for me, I guess you'd say. But we'll trim up some trees and do a little maintenance on the yard, and trying to strike that balance right now between doing maintenance on equipment, maintenance on the yard, and all that other stuff. Keep up. Try to keep up. Well, we're starting to get a little bit of a brush pile there. We got that side cut off. That had a big marm that just stuck way out. Get too much of a snow load on that or too much wind on it, it'll split down the whole damn tree, kill the whole tree. Trimmed up a couple of those down here, and now we're working on the pines. Bob and Wendy planted these as seedlings. They're pretty damn good size now. Maybe 30, 40 feet. Got in and trimmed the lilac bushes back a little bit too. Open things up in here, get a little sun in here. It pretty much killed all the grass and all that. Not that I want more grass to grow or anything, but I'm still running over it from time to time with the lawnmower anyway, so may as well be doing something, right? So we got that lilac bush back there to spruce up a little bit, and then these two pine trees. And we'll be done with that shit for the day. Well, look at this garbage. Rain, snow mix. But it's a good day for a little bit of a cleanup fire. Little campfire there, burning some wood scraps, getting things cleaned up. It's going to be the pig area, the pig pen. So we're going to be doing some more fencing in here, getting all this boxed in. Since I got 10 of the damn things coming, so we're going to need some area here. Yeah, so I'm just kind of shoring up the edge of this building enough to run some fence along the edge of it, and then it'll be good enough for now. We obviously got to get into this pile of fence at some point. That was the old fence that was out here when I took over the farm. And then we tried the landscape timbers that didn't work, and then last year we went to this fence. That fence doesn't work. Fuck it, I'm done with cattle, because I spent way too much money on that for it to not work. But yeah, and you can see the cattle are way back there grazing away. So it's kind of a shitty day. Whatever. I'll be in the shop here before too long working. We'll catch up with you guys in another video. I hope you guys like what we're doing. If so, hit that thumbs up. Leave me a question or comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring that bell, get my notifications. Stop by on a Wednesday night. Wednesday night live streams are always a fun time. We'll see you guys again next time.